want to talk for a moment about data bars. Data bars are very similar to spark lines, and it's just a matter of showing general trends and in numbers. I'm going to highlight this row of numbers here, and data bars can be found right underneath on the Home tab with under conditional formatting. In other words, it's conditional based on the data. And data bars, there's solid fill, there's gradient fill. I'm going to try a solid fill green here, and you can see how it lays out. I'm going to go to data bars to more rules, and here you can see that there's all kinds of different options. You can do your gradients, your fills, and you can change the different colors and that type of thing. Now, in this case, I've got an age here, and I've got 9 females that are 20, under 20, 2014, and I want to do a bar graph, and I'm going to change the rules here because I want it to go from right to left, not left to right in this case. So there's that one. And now I go over here to males, and I'm going to do the same thing here, except that I'm going to go from left to right. And so now you can see what I've done there in terms of graphing out. The zero gets no color. There's all kinds of different things that you can do. I highlighted some data here, whether they were over budget or under budget, and by how much, and you can see that it's just visual indicators that let you know how you're doing. And here you can see where I change colors on that. This is something that you just play around with, and all of a sudden you're going to say, whoa, I found exactly what I needed.